Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome to a little bit different farm vlog. I was digging through some of our old stuff looking for a couple of very specific clips of a barn demolition that we did, and of course I couldn't find those, but I did find some other unique stuff that you guys probably have never seen from our past. So I decided to do a Kapper's farm vlog pass and put some of the unique stuff together. So I hope you enjoy it. Throw us a comment if you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to follow all of our new farm vlog adventures, which is something pretty much different every day. Thanks. What were you girls looking at? Your new neighbors?
It is the leader.
Probably can't see too good. They got a little snake in there.
Go get it, girls.
I am ripping up this what's going to be a new food plot way back on a ridge, way back in the woods. Just had an excavator clear all the stumps and clear everything, but this is really tough going. Probably should have bigger equipment, but ripping it up with a homemade ripper, chisel blade. Try and get some of the roots up to the surface and the rocks. Gonna be a lot of work for the machines, but hopefully in the end run nothing breaks and turns out good. It's like a big old snapper laying eggs. We get this every spring. We live down by the bayou. Got a couple of holes here that are probably filled, although she's got them buried.
No, you're not biting my toes like you did here.
Okay, the first time the piglets are outside, right away they started rutting up. Good for them. Instincts kicking in. Look at a little tail wagging.
Hey, come here, pig pig. Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Head first.
He's like, wow, this is cool. I can dig. She can't stop long enough to take a bite.
It's about just about 3 feet deep, so